I'm Angelica. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. I haven't vlogged the beginning part of the week because I intended to film a video on how to become a florist if this is the career that you're trying to pursue, which will still be filmed. However, I ended up booking a last minute event for this weekend. So I have a ton of flowers I just picked up. I just got home. I want to go through the process of it all, kind of hydrate them, process them with you. And I also want to take you along with me to the event that I end up setting up for. So I'll take you along and let me show you what I got. So there's a variety of flowers here. And I will definitely unpack each one and kind of show you in detail. However, these are 3 different boxes, and this is kind of how the wholesaler put them together for me so they can fit in my car. I absolutely love these. These are so stunning. So this is pretty much the lineup. I haven't closed the blinds, but these are the flowers. These definitely look a little bit darker than they actually are, just because it's kind of like dark and not too bright over here. But these are the blooms that I'm going to be using, and I will show you when I start processing everything. I only have 2 done. This is going to be my 3rd one. I'm just gonna do it with you. That way, if you ever want to do something similar, you kind of have an idea on how to do it. I pretty much just kind of like cover all of my mechanics. And I've already cut a bunch of like shorter stems, but if I need them to be a little bit shorter, then I cut them some more. And I'm just gonna go around pretty much the whole thing. The centerpieces are all done, the tall ones and the short ones. The centerpieces are almost done. I have 6 tall arrangements completed, and I do need to add flowers to the small, short compote centerpieces. However, right now my priority is to head over to either Lowe's or Home Depot, which I think I'm gonna go to Lowe's because it's just walking distance from my house, to pick up some sort of white shade of paint. I need to paint the backdrop that I'm gonna be using for tomorrow. This is the backdrop that I'm gonna be using tomorrow. You could see that it's bare wood right now, but the quality is absolutely insane. I love how it turned out. I love getting my backdrops custom made because I will not only deliver to the client as close as possible to the inspo that she provided, but also I'll be able to use this time and time again for other weddings or events. I don't see it being requested a ton for weddings. However, for a welcome signage, to have something different rather than, you know, your typical standard easel and board, this could definitely be a great option. I just got back from Lowe's and I picked up the lightest shade of white on this card. It's called Ibis White. And I picked up this brand called Valspar Signature. It already comes with primer, which makes things way easier for me. I don't have to worry about priming it and then painting it. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. But I'm going to be adding flowers to the short compote centerpieces first. It's pretty late, so the lighting is not great, but I wanted to show you what these ended up turning out like. I ended up adding flowers to the tall arrangements as well, just because I did have an additional amount of flowers and it was very in line with the inspiration photos that the client provided. So I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit more blooms. I have one more to go here. And so I'm gonna be adding the blooms to this one right now and I'll be pretty much done for the day. Hello. Good morning, it's event day. I am about to start loading up the van and packing everything up so we can get ready to go to the venue. These are the floral arrangements that I'm about to pack. I will be placing them into those boxes there and placing the glass vase of the tall floral arrangements into their own individual boxes. That way everything's easier to transport.